friends, I'm Swati from Swati's Workshops. We are going to be teaching you the winter special chicken salad. I'm having half a cup of salad leaves. You can use Lolo Rosso, romaine lettuce. Ensure that these are fresh. 1 cup of iceberg lettuce leaves. Always immerse your iceberg lettuce leaves in ice cold water so that you get crunchy and fresh leaves. We are having 6 cherry tomatoes, half a cucumber, and with a peeler we have made thin slices. We have an orange here. We're going to be using some orange juice and some orange zest for this recipe. I have half a cup of boneless chicken. We are using the chicken supreme and we have cut into long slices. Ensure that you always use fresh chicken for your salad recipes. I have half a cup of bread slices. We're going to be preparing very nice croutons for this recipe. 3 to 4 strawberries, we have cut them into quarters. 1 fig, we have cut them into 4 parts. 1/4 cup of pomegranate. 2 teaspoons of roasted pumpkin seeds. 3 tablespoons of pistachio. 2 teaspoons of feta cheese. 2 teaspoons of butter. 2 teaspoons of honey. 3 teaspoons of blueberries. 1 teaspoon of mixed dry herbs. These are Italian herbs like rosemary, sage, thyme, basil, oregano. 1 teaspoon of roasted flax seeds. Salt as per taste. Freshly ground black pepper powder for seasoning. 3 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Let's begin this delicious salad recipe. It's healthy, it's tasty, it's easy, and it's super yum. We have a non-stick pan here. Let's add some butter. As of now, we have added just 1 teaspoon of butter. We are firstly going to prepare the bread croutons. Let's toss in the bread slices. Let's add in the mixed dry herbs. We just added a pinch of mixed dry herbs. Let's add a pinch of black pepper powder. You can add finely chopped fresh parsley also. Toast the croutons well. You can even make your croutons in your OTG oven. We switch off the heat. Our croutons are ready. Let's keep them aside. Into the same pan, let's add an extra virgin olive oil. We are adding half the olive oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add in the chicken. Let's add some salt. You should be getting this kind of a sizzling sound. Black pepper powder, mixed dry herbs. Let's add some orange zest. This orange zest will make your chicken very flavorful. We're going to be adding half a teaspoon of butter. Saute well. Let's switch off the heat. Our chicken is ready. Let's keep the chicken aside. And now for the next part of the recipe. We have a fresh clean bowl. Let's squeeze some orange juice. There's something amazing about freshly squeezed orange juice. I absolutely love it. Let's add in some honey. We're preparing the dressing. We're adding all the honey. That's 2 teaspoons of honey in half an orange juice. We add in the olive oil. We add salt. We add black pepper powder. Let's give this a good mix. Our dressing is ready. I've taken my salad bowl. Let's begin to toss the ingredients. I add in the iceberg lettuce leaves. We add the Lolo Rosso. I'm going to tear the Lolo Rosso leaves. Roughly tear them. Let's add in the cherry tomatoes, pomegranate seeds. Let's add some salt, some black pepper powder, and we're going to pour the dressing. This is a honey orange dressing. Let's toss. I'm taking a salad plate here. We're going to spread cucumber slices. These are very thin slices. Let's spread it towards one side of the salad plate. Let's serve the salad. All the salad leaves on one side of the plate. Always prepare the salad when you're just going to eat it. Never prepare the salad in advance because it will turn soggy. Now onto the other side, let's add in the chicken. You can also replace chicken with grilled prawns. We now begin to add the bread croutons. Little bit of dressing on the cucumber. We're now going to be placing the figs gently onto the cucumber. Now for the strawberries. I'm now going to be adding the blueberries. Now for some feta cheese. Let's take big pieces of the crumbled feta cheese and arrange it onto the salad leaves. We're not adding the feta cheese on the chicken or the croutons. I'm going to be adding the flax seeds on the bread croutons. These are toasted. And now for the pistachio. Roasted pistachios will also give you a lovely crunch. Isn't this a super rich salad? Healthy, tasty, such yummy ingredients, all fresh. And finally, I'm going to be adding some pumpkin seeds onto the salad. Finish the salad, let's drizzle some dressing. We are drizzling the dressing over the chicken, over the salad leaves, onto the figs, onto the strawberries, and everywhere onto the blueberries and the cucumber. This is a very tasty dressing. Amazing, right? Let me sprinkle some black pepper powder onto the salad. The Indian in me is tempted to add chaat masala powder on the salad, but I'm not going to do any such thing. So please don't try something like that. You have to sprinkle with black pepper powder and not the chaat masala, alright? This is an international salad. Let me drizzle some balsamic reduction and it's good to go. This balsamic reduction is prepared by taking balsamic vinegar and cooking it till you get a nice thick syrup and sugar. You can cook it in brown sugar and you get a delicious salad. Look at the chicken. There are so many ingredients. It's so tasty, it's nutritious, it's healthy, it's fresh, it's super yummy. And it's a heavy salad. I mean, if you have this, you can skip your dinner easily. So friends, this was the winter special chicken salad. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll be back again with another recipe very soon. If you have any doubts, any queries, drop in your comments. I'll happily help you. If you wish to learn anything unique, let me know. Have a superb weekend, guys, and have a wonderful year ahead. Keep smiling forever. Keep rocking. Take care.